Year 2, welcome back to your daily phonics. Let's get straight on now. The new sound is something that we have looked at before, but I thought it'd be good to look at it again. So let's start with recapping our sounds that we've done recently. On here, I'll just put it on big screen. I have done some different words on there because I think it's a good idea to expose you to more than the same words. The family is still the same, but the words are different. So I pause the video and have a good go at sounding out all of these words that are on here. You know what sound it is, so have a good go at sounding all these words out. Some of them are quite long words. Okay, how do you get along with the I as in nights? This is a very long word, so I would look at the first part of the word and I would look at the second part of the word, and putting them together you should recognise the word as you are saying it. So we've got fright, and d. And this ed is in the past, it's just a d. Frightened. Okay, it's nice and easy ones. Sight. And again, this start of this word is a D, delighted, delighted when you are happy. Nice short ones here. So we've got the Y making the I sound, but by, as in, this book is by David Walliams, or the shop is by the river. Not as in goodbye or I want to buy something. That's different type of buy. And here we've got spy. And here, instead of it being at the end, we've got it in the middle. And this is what we've been doing recently, the k as a s. So it's cycle. Okay, and then the single phoneme, that's a tricky one, that one. So this is an E and an A, so it's idea. And then iris. So that's funny because it starts as an I, but goes an is. Iris, which is in your eye. It's also a name. And D-I-N-O, and that's an O, or dinosaur. Okay, how do you get along with these ones? Split digraph. This again is what we looked at yesterday. So it's price, pride, and then inside. And then over here we've got dried, lied, and spied, all in the past there. Okay, let's have a look at that O family again. Got some new words, some of them are quite long, so do break up the words. If you do get stuck, pause the video and you have a go, and then we'll go through them together. Okay. Let's see the first one, the O sound, roast. Okay, this is quite a long one. So you might want to start off with the first bit, charcoal, like what you like to fire with. And then this is a funny one because actually we've got the both O sounds. So we've got O, row, rowboat. Okay, then back onto our O as an O and a W. Ing, bowling. Pillow. It's quite a long one. Eaten. And I know some of your favourite holidays is Halloween. I know Owen's favourite holiday is Halloween. Okay, and then here you got old, gold, and old, folding. You're doing it now, folding. And then here, O sound, O, O, G, Os, goes. Like tomatoes, this is an A, so it's P, A, P, Ot, A, A. Let me start again. P, Ot, 8, O's. Tricky one to say. So potatoes, potatoes. And then here, D, O, M, Itten, Dominoes. Dominoes, what you play with. Oh, actually, it's a fast food restaurant. And then here you've got your split digraph, so we don't say the E, but these are the O. So we've got T, E, L, oh, that's tell E, telly, scope, scope, telescope, what you're looking to the sky with. And then explode, explode, explode. And here you've got quite a long one, so you might want to look at the first bit and then the last bit. So we've got back, backbone, backbone. And then these ones are the same because there's not many ways of using these words to the O sound. So still got do and we've still got all though. Okay, so I'm just going to stop sharing because I've got cards for these. So these are ones that we have used before, so I'm going to show you them straight away. We've got and we've got E. Can you remember? So this can sometimes be known as E, as in eat, but today it's E, as in bread. So I know you can read all those. So let's have a look at these ones. So remember, you're saying E when you see this phoneme. Ones that we have looked at before. So we're ready. D, head. And a long one here. D, spread. And then here, weather. Good. Right. Let's go back to share my screen so I can get the image up for you. Oh, just before the image, let's do our tricky words. Let's do our tricky words again. We've got 5 seconds in class today. So how quickly can you do yours? We are just going, oh, there, Miss is could, looked, and we did it in 5 seconds. So we're ready, go. Did you get it in less than 10 seconds? Pause the video and have a go at writing a sentence. I had some good ones today. It was, oh yeah, one of them, Jessie put Mr. Lavelle is the best, but I said he spelled Mr. Lavelle wrong. He spelled Miss Taylor wrong. He's put it as Mr. Lavelle. And that wasn't right. But he was adamant, no, Mr. Lavelle is the best. Okay, you have a go at spelling, writing a sentence with one of these words, and let me know what you come up with. Okay, so these are the sounds that we looked at yesterday. So we looked at sound. So this digraph and this digraph together just make a sound. So let's have a go again at sounding out. So we've got and here you got science, the 2 ways of saying the sound there. And then as, it's, listen, listening. How did you get along with those? So let's go on to our picture. So we have done this picture before, but it's always good just to remind ourselves to pause the video and have a talk about what is happening to Biff here. What is going on? She doesn't look happy, does she? The birds, I think, are stealing her seeds. She's trying to grow flowers. Okay, have a look at the picture. Can you see any of these? Well, there's lots of birds, so there must be some feathers. There must be some feathers. There must be a nest up here. We've got a nest. Yeah, and we've got a fence. How did you get along with theirs? Okay, time for a little bit of spelling. So what I want you to try and spell for me. First up is exit. 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 Did you spell it like that? Hopefully. And then I want you to try and spell the word deadly. Sorry, bear with me. D-E-D-Ly. Deadly. How did you get along with that one? D-E-D-Ly. Did you get that correct? Okay, and then the next thing, obviously, continue with your worksheet. Make sure you do your sound buttons. There's exit and your sound lines. Show the diagrams in there and have a look through your text to find all of the sounds and then draw your picture with a sentence down here. And that is all that we have for today. Tomorrow's lesson will be when we'll put it all together, look at all the sounds together on a PowerPoint and see if you can remember which sound it is. Tomorrow will be a little bit more difficult, so if you want to use some of this time to go through all those sounds or have a look back over those lessons from today, because I know there's a lot to take in. But if you've got any questions, please just let me know. But have a good day. Bye.